Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed 13.2. Let us go for 13.3. First question. What is that? A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast into the shape of the cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. So here, nothing. One sphere is there. So that sphere is melted and recast into the shape of what? Cylinder. So here, sphere radius is what? 4.2. So rough sketch I am drawing here, and to the shape of cylinder of radius is what? So the radius of cylinder is 6. So we need to find what height of the cylinder. That means when we convert from spherical shape to the cylindrical shape, the volume of the solid remains unchanged. So then here given radius of sphere is equal to sphere R is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Next, radius of cylinder R is equal to 6 centimeter. So then height of the cylinder H is equal to, we need to find. So what is the principle? What is the major concept here? Volume of sphere will be is equal to volume of cylinder, otherwise vice versa. So first I am writing volume of cylinder here. Pi R square H is equal to volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi some capital R cube. So let us take this radius of this sphere as capital R better. So pi and pi will be cancelled. Now H is equal to 4 by 3 into R cube by R square. H is equal to 4 by 3 into R cube. So what is that? 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 R square. What is R here? 6. 6 into 6. Look at 4 cancel and 3 remains here. That means 2 3s are 2 3s are like that. Now look at here carefully. 14 again 14. So 3 1 3 14. H is equal to 1.4 cube. So multiply 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. So actually 1.4 into 1.4. Actually 14 into 14 is 190. How we have to do 196? 2 decimals we have to use. 1.96 into 1.4. So what is the value? So just leave the decimals. Do 196 into 14 and leave 3 decimals for that and take the point, so that you will get the answer for this. Next, let us go for question number 2. What is that? A metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. So there are 3 spheres and find the radius of the resulting sphere. Okay. So given radius of 3 spheres. So what are the radius of 3 spheres? B. So let that be R1 is equal to 6 centimeters, R2 is equal to 8 centimeters, R3 is equal to 10 centimeters. Like that we have to take. So melted and recast into single sphere. So let the sphere formed by combining all these spheres, sphere formed by combining all the above spheres is of radius is with radius R. So now look at here. That means, so there are 3 spheres like this. So there are 3 spheres like this, 3 smaller figures, spheres. So if you combine these 3 and they recast, combine, that means that material used for this all the spheres combined and to form a one more sphere like this, then the volume of this one we have to find. So this with R, radius is R1, R2, R3. Then volume of this sphere is equal to sum of the volumes of the all these 3 spheres. That means, so 4 by 3 pi R cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. Why I am writing like this? I can write the generalization of 4 by 3 pi R3 cube. So 4 by 3 pi R cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi will be common, R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. R cube is equal to R1 cube is what? 6 cube. R2 cube is what? R2 is 8 cube. R3 is what? 10 cube. So R cube is equal to, you do one thing, take 2 cube common. Actually this is 2 into 3 whole cube plus 2 into 4 whole cube, 2 into 5 whole cube. R cube is equal, if 2 cube is common, 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. Now R cube is equal to 2 cube into, see 2 cube will be common from each and every, 2 cube into 27 plus 16 plus 5 cube is 125. So R cube is equal to 2 cube into 27 plus 16, how much? 33, 43. 43 plus 25, 43 plus 125, 8 plus 4 plus 2, 6, 168. So now this will be 168. Once again, 27 plus 6, 33, 33 into 33 plus sorry, it is not 16 here, 64. So this will be, now it will be changed, I am sorry, 27 plus 64 plus 125, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. Now 10, 11, 216, 216, this is 216. So this can be given as 2 cube into 216 is 6, 6 to 36, 36, 6 are 216, that is 6 into 6 into 6, 6 cube. So how could I write? Here I am writing R cube is equal to 2 cube into 6 cube, R is equal to 2 into 6 whole cube. See, this is 6 into 6 into 6. If you don't know, do the LCM better. So R is equal to, cube comes and it will become cube root, 2 into 6 whole cube, cube will cancel. The what? Radius of the new sphere formed will be of the radius what? The radius of the new sphere is 12 centimeter. Once again I am going to tell you clearly that the sum of the volume of one sphere is equal to sum of the volumes of all the figures. As per that I am going to calculate. But the thing is, whenever the volume concept is given like this, R cube is equal to R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube principle, we can make use directly so that you will get the answer perfect instead of doing all this story.